Come riding on a water buffalo cart with me.
Believe it or not, I am riding in a water buffalo cart. That's not something you can say every day. Yeah. This is where I made a strategic error of not having a hat or an umbrella. Mistake. As we say, the sun is no joke.
Here I am, just a 55-year-old riding on an ox cart in Cambodia.
Rice fields.
Yep, it's peaceful, but it's hot as hell at only 9 a.m. These girls are riding to school on their motorbike. Definitely a new experience for me. Cross it off the bucket list. Hey, little chickens, how you doing?
Hey, baby. Hi, sweetheart.
We are stopping inside at one of the local villagers.
Okay guys, this is the products that homemade from our country. Yeah, and this made from one stem plant that we call rattan. So rattan having a lot of thorn, sharp, that people not easy to get it. So far, still a traditional handmade in our country. Yeah, so this is, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
You did a good job.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one. Look at all these beautiful things.
Check out these beautiful ladies making bags, purses, bowls, all with the rattan reeds.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Watch our guide call the buffalo. He's so good.
Look at that. They pay attention. That's awesome.
Oh, we gotta stop for a photo op at this beautiful poppy field. This could be some great future TikTok content. Look at that cinematography. Watch our guide make a flower hat from the big leaf he picked in the field.
I love it.
And we can go another one.
It's like a pin almost.
Do what you gotta do to protect yourself from the sun.
I like the stick on top.
We're getting ready to go on our boat, and look at all these goats. If you followed me
Little
for a while, you
babies.
know I love some goats.
I love goats.
Now we're getting ready to board our boat to get ready and sail aboard the lake. It's going to be super interesting to see how these folks live. This is the main area where all the fishermen bring their fish to sell to the markets at all the villages. Their wives generally clean and cut all the fish so it's ready to go.
So this is the map of Cambodia. It came from Phnom Penh here, and it is Siem Reap. Yeah?
The farmers let the water buffaloes graze and bathe here. I took this moment for another glamour shot for Instagram. Our guide really is kind of a talented photographer. This really is a challenging life. The people make their living on the lake and live in these houseboats. When the fishing is bad, they have to move their home, mostly depending on the tides. But they help each other out as a strong community. People are now teaching them the importance of clean drinking water, obviously to keep the population much healthier. This is all they know.
Do you think I can drive?
So go back.
There's our driver.
But,
Would you like to go for a swim?
Stopped here at the widest part of the lake just to take in the beauty. Now we're getting ready to head back to shore. Here's a better look at the boat towing the houseboat to another area of the lake. And check it out, here's some eco-tourists doing their canoeing thing. I might be a little scared to canoe here, but they're doing it. Definitely more adventurous than me. Now we're heading back to the bus. We go have some lunch, visit the National Museum, and head for the airport. I enjoyed my time on the boat and learning about all the people indigenous to this area. They live a simple but beautiful life.